Open the template in Canva. Everything is editable, so you can match it to your brand. Edit text boxes marked with square brackets, and optionally the colors. Upload your images or search for images within Canva. Simply drag your images in, and they'll snap to the background. Double tap to edit what part of the image to show. This works just the same with video clips as well. Tap Share in the top right corner and save as MP4. Repeat with all 7 videos for the week. The sound is already synced to the video. When you're finished with all videos, upload them in your Google Drive. Tip: make one folder for each week. Check out the next video on how to use our Reels and TikTok planner.